Hi dear students, we are going to discuss this paper today. This is from Royal College, and this is for grade 6 third term paper for 2021. So let's discuss all the questions of part 1 here, and I think you can understand. I suppose this is going to be a great help for you in your next the last term test. So study this, and also you can work out all these problems yourself, and you can check this too, and watch this to the end. And if you haven't subscribe to my channel and like and comment after watching this. So if you have any doubts or any problems, you can leave a comment and I will answer that. I'll answer them later, right? So let's go to this paper discussion. So by the way, you can join my classes in Colombo, and I do these classes there. So okay, let's go with this first question. Here you have to name two objects that can draw circular patterns. So you can see, I can say cup, a lid of a bottle, coin, etc. So you can name two objects you can use to draw circular patterns, right? So I think you see a lot of things. A dish, and there are a lot of things you can see. When you see look around, you will find those things, right? And write the quotient and the remainder of 27 divided by 2. So let's divide this 27 by 2 with long division, and we'll find it. There are 1 2 for 2, so 1 into 2 is 2, and you take this 7 here, and then for 7 there are 3 2's. 3 into 2 is 6, and 1 is remaining. You can say quotient is 13, and the remainder is 1 here. And write the quotient. Okay, actually this is the same question, right? Let's do this, the third one. What is the largest unit fraction? Largest unit fraction is 1 over 2. So the unit fractions, in a unit fraction, always the numerator is 1. And so in this case, when the denominator gets smaller, the fraction gets bigger. Therefore the largest unit fraction should be this one. Write 10 billion, 8 million, 9 in standard form. So if you try to this, okay, let's see, write 10 million, 10 billion, 8 million, 9 in standard form. So when you try to answer this kind of problem, you can just draw this kind of periods for numbers. This is units, this is thousands, and this one for millions, and this is for billions. So actually you don't have to draw and all these things on the question paper. Actually I am telling you the way you should do in case you get something else, some other number or something. When you have write, you have to follow this method. You can do it here, and you can actually doing this rough work where possible in a rough sheet, and you can just write the correct answer on this question paper, because you have to answer the questions on the paper itself. So you will not have enough space for the rough work in this one. But anyway, you can find the answer this way. So 10 billion, here 10 billion and 8 million. In the periods of millions, you can write 8 million, 9, and that means there are no thousands, therefore there should be zeros in thousand, and 9, right? So this is the answer. So you can just write the answer like this: 10 008 000 009. So this is the answer. And while you have to write in the standard form, you have to leave a space between these periods, or you can write a comma between these periods. In that way you can make it in the standard form. And this question 5, write a suitable value for the given blanks. And this is a subtraction, so this should be nothing but 8, because 8 minus 6 is 2. And here 5 minus 8 is not possible, so obviously 1 has to come from here. Therefore it should be 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. So this is it. And write all the integers between -2 and 1. Actually this is between -2 and 1, so you cannot take -2. Therefore you can take -1, 0. These are the two integers. If you draw a number line, you can find this 0, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Here 1 is here and -2 is here. Only you can take these two integers, right? You don't actually, in this paper you don't have to write or draw this number line, but you just have to give the answers only. So if you give this answer, it is right. According to that, write the largest integer. In this one, the largest integer is 0, because when you go to the right side in the number line, the value increases. When you go left, the value decreases. Express 8075 gram in kilograms and grams. In this one, 8075, that means this is 8000 plus 75. The 8000 means 8 kilograms and 75 grams. So therefore your answer should be 8 kilograms 75 grams. If you write like this, you will get the marks. And if x is equal to 18, find the value of x minus 5. X minus 5 is equal to 18 minus 5, and this is 13. Suggest a suitable name for the given quadrilateral. For this quadrilateral, this is a trapezium. So write a special feature of this figure. The special feature is this one. One pair of sides are parallel to each other. That means you see this symbol. This indicates that these two lines are parallel, and only one pair should be parallel in a trapezium. What is the angle between minute hand and the hour hand of a clock which is indicated by 8 a.m. So for that we will draw 8 a.m. Here should be, it is 12 and 6, 7, 8. 8 is just over here. This is 9. This is 3. This is 6. So it should be, the hands should be like this. So if you measure this angle, it is something like this. So this is what is the angle? This is an obtuse angle. This is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means something like this. And acute angle is something like this, and this is right angle, and this is straight angle, and there's another one. This is reflex angle. I think you understand all this, and I'm just doing kind of a reminding, right? write the number of triangles in the given figure. In this one you have to count something like this. This is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and something like this, and then again you have to count 1 2 and 3, and again you have to do something like 1 2 and again 1. So actually I have another method for this. You can do this, just remember this way. If you have been given something like this, you have to write it this way. Write 1 2 3 4 because there are 4 parts here. 1 2 3 4, there are 4 parts here. Actually you can use this when the triangle is divided in this fashion, or in this fashion only, right? If the arrangement is different, you can't use this, as I say. But here you write like this, and this is and then you have to add all these numbers, 1 2 3 plus 4, and this becomes now 10. So the number of triangles should be 10, right? So if there's something like this, if it is divided to like this 3, then you write 1 2 and then you write add 1 and 2, and that becomes 3. That means there are 3 angles, the 3 triangles. So this is how you find this answer. If you get something like this in your term test, please remember to do this. And in the given figure, what is the letter out of the circle? Out of the circle is B. What is the letter on the circle? On the circle is C, and you know B is in the circle. And what is the solid object with only curved surfaces without edges or vertices? Without any edges or vertices, there's only one. So this is we know this is nothing but the sphere. And you know, I have seen some students come up with the cylinder. You know, the cylinder, it has one curved surface and 2 flat surfaces, and also it has 2 edges too. So therefore you can't take cylinder for this, because see these edges. So the answer should be the sphere. What fraction of the whole diagram is the part shaded and expressed the answer as the simplest form? When you see this thing is something like this, if you divide it into like this kind of parts, how many parts you get? You get like this, you get you can divide it this way and you get 10 of these parts. Therefore there are a total number of 10 parts, and 1 2 3 4 are shaded. Therefore you have to keep them in the simplest form. For that you can divide this by 2 and this also by 2, then you get 2 over 5. This is the simplest form. What is the value represented by this one? So you know, this is obviously 5, this is 4, and 5 plus 4 is 9. You know how we get this? We count these streaks. When we count something, we use these streaks like this. We say 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3. This is something like this. If you add this one, this is 5, this is 5, this is 3, and this is going to be 13. This way you can find this answer. Here you have to in this case express 3 liters and 25 milliliters in milliliters. So this is you can do it this way. You know, 3 liters means 3000 milliliters, and you have to add 25 milliliters to that. So you can say 3025 milliliters is the answer. write all the factors of 6. So when you have to write these factors of 6, we see how we can make 6. 1 into 6 is 6, 2 into 3 is 6, and that's all. So the factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. What is the number spread out below? So you see 800s. If you get this kind of question, I'm going to show you how to get the answer. So 800, so 8 multiply 8 by 100, this means 800, and 5 into 10, and this means 50. 3 ones, that means 3, and 3 tenths, 3 into 1 over 10, this means 0.3, and 7 hundredths, 7 into 1 over 100, and this means 0.07. So if you add this, you can do something like this, 0, 0. You can add write these decimal places too, and then this actually I do this for the sake of easiness to add. You add like this is 7, this is 3, this is 3, and this is 5, this is 8. So your answer is 853.37. This should be the answer. 555. And so in the index form, you see how many powers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore this would be 5 to the power 6. The area of the small square is given by 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. That means 1 square centimeter. Find the total area of the figure. This is 1 by 1, then this is 1 centimeter square. Therefore you have to add all these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This means 9 square centimeters. So I think you understand this. So here we have given the right answers for all these. We have given the answers for all these 20 questions. So thank you for watching this to the end. So please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So your comments mean a lot, so I really appreciate if you can put a comment here, leave a comment, say what you feel. That is really going to help, and that's really inspiring. So I hope to make the second video of this one, because your term test is coming. And so let's see you in the next video in part 2 of this paper. Thank you.